Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel on Advanced Excel. In today's video, our challenge is to remove numbers from text from this alphanumeric data which I have. Okay, and in this challenge, we are going to use these 6 functions: length, sequence, mid, ISERROR, filter, and concatenate. Now remember, I am using Office 365, and this length and mid functions are concerned. They are non-spill function. Okay, but this sequence and filter, these functions are spill functions, so they will compel this length and mid function to spill result across rows. So I am beginning with this length function. Length, everybody is aware, no need to explain. It will give you the length of this particular alphanumeric data. Control enter. So the length is 17. Now I am prefixing this with sequence, tab. Now length is 17, so when I prefix this with sequence and control enter, sequence will give me numbers from 1 to 17 across rows, because I am using Office 365. Now I am going to prefix this with mid tab. My text is this. Now start number is the result of this sequence function, which are numbers from 1 to 17. And every time the mid returns me a value, it will be returning me only one character. So I am giving comma 1, complete parenthesis, control enter. So here it is. So with this length, sequence, and mid, we are able to break this alphanumeric data across rows. Okay, now I am going to use F2 and prefix this mid with double negative. The reason is our data is alphanumeric data, so this double negative, which is a mathematical operation, will convert those numbers which are written as text as a whole number. So this numbers which are written as text will be given as numbers in the general or a number format, and wherever there are alphabets, it will throw us value error. So I am just pressing control enter here. Okay, so here it is. So wherever there are numbers, those numbers are converted into number format, and those alphabets we are getting value error. Now we will prefix this particular result of mid, sequence, and length with ISERROR tab. We will come to end of this function, complete parenthesis, control enter. Now with this ISERROR, that ISERROR has converted those mid into trues and false. Okay, so wherever there is a number, it has given us false, and wherever there is an alphabet, it has given us true. So now I will take this mid function and sequence and length, everything, and we'll use this inside filter, because we know that this result of this mid function is nothing but the data which is broken down in rows. So if I press F9, here it is, and that's what we want. And now I will use filter, press tab, control V. So this mid function is taking care of array argument in filter, and that include argument is taken care by ISERROR. And I'll come to end of this function, complete parenthesis, and control enter. So we are having this apple word here. And lastly, we'll concatenate this data using CONCAT. So it concatenates a list or a range of text strings. So I am pressing tab, coming to end of this function, and control enter. Here it is. And now simply you can select this range of cells where you want that formula to be copied, F2 and control enter. Okay, so this is how you can use all these functions to remove numbers from text. But remember, because it's an Office 365, these numbers are able to spill the data. Okay, so if you have any earlier versions of Excel, then you may not be able to do this thing. Now what if we want to remove text from numbers? Very simple. What we'll do is, this ISERROR, I will prefix this ISERROR with not function. So NOT, and this is what not function does. It changes from false to true and true to false. Very simple. So I will press tab, I complete one more parenthesis and control enter. Here it is. Okay, so now the alphabets are gone, and we are having only numbers. So whenever you are faced with this kind of challenge where either you have to remove numbers from text or text from numbers, you can use this particular trick. So friends, I hope this video is interesting and it may be useful sometime in your practical life. So do consider deploying this trick to get the result. Thanks for all your views and likes. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this video and hit that bell icon to get future updates. Take care. Bye.